So now we have a survey with data in it. That's great. Now we want to also extract the data from Qualtrics. Please remember, by the way, that before you start your survey again, these fake responses will still be in your dataset. So to clean them up, you do exactly as I did before, because now we have 300 responses here. And to clean those up, you go again to Data and Analyses, and there you will then check all and use the little bin to delete these responses. But for now, let's use our fake data and let's have a look at how these fake data look. To export data from Qualtrics, you need to click this button in the Data and Analysis tab. So you can get here from the projects overview by clicking the three dots, or if you're working in the survey, you can immediately click on the tab Data and Analysis. You get here too. In this tab, clicking on Export and Import will allow you to export your data. We're going to ignore the option to import data. That is in most cases not very relevant. Now, depending on your preferred options or a statistical analysis program, you can choose for different types of data exports. If you're using, for example, R, a CSV file might be your preferred option, or an Excel file. If you're more into SPSS, you can use SPSS to download your data. To download your data, you can immediately click download here, but there is also this more options button. And this is an important button if you have randomization in your survey, because Qualtrics does not automatically export randomization. So you do not know in which order participants have viewed the parts of your survey, the randomized parts of your survey, automatically. But Qualtrics has stored that. You just need to indicate to Qualtrics here with the button Export Viewing Order Data for Randomized Surveys that you would also like Qualtrics to export the viewing order. And then you will know if participants, for example, first saw part A or part B of your survey and the other way around. Now, once you've selected the things you're most interested in, you can click download here. And what will happen is Qualtrics will automatically export all your data in a neat little Excel zip folder. And that's it. You have your data.